Now, JoJo, let's do a thumbnail real quick.
All right.
I think that works. Now, welcome back to the channel, all my haulers and ballers. And today, we're going to talk about the business, the junk business that is.
We have some bids, some jobs, and we're going to resell some items.
So make sure you smash that like button and let's get this money. Now, just like that, we went and bid a job, and holy shit, JoJo, there was multiple loads there, wasn't there?
Yeah, there was multiple loads. We kept walking and seeing more and more stuff, and the yard was huge.
It was a big job. In a job like this, the realtor let us know there's going to be 3 different junk removal companies showing up and giving bids. So if you're out there, you're not landing every single job, don't worry about it. You're not going to land every single bid. And actually, a competitor showed up when we were there.
Yeah, yep, we said hi to him.
So we shoot him work, he shoots us work. So hopefully, if anyone gets it, it's either him or us. But most likely, us.
Yeah, just don't be discouraged because you're not going to get every job you bid. We do not get every job we bid. We bid lots of jobs and land lots of jobs.
So what you want to do is get your phone to ring consistently all the time. And the more phone calls you get, the more bids you put out, the more jobs you'll land. So it's all about getting your phone to ring and giving that great customer service like I do every single damn day. Every day. Now we're heading to the next job, and it's for a realtor.
Yeah, it is. Another realtor.
Another realtor. I love my realtors. So we're heading there now. Now, where this realtor found us was off of Instagram, and all this stuff in the garage goes, these black bags go, and there's also a table inside the house that the realtor wants me to help her son move into his truck. We'll take care of that. And in the bedroom, we have a mattress and a bed frame that needs to go too. Now, just like that, job is complete and the realtor was super happy and we got a $50 tip. Now, in this business, JoJo.
You're not going to get every job.
Now, in this business, JoJo.
And you will never make everyone happy.
Now, in this business, JoJo.
If you do it right, you can make a lot of money.
You can make a shitload of money. So we're heading to the next job and it's some stuff in the garage, JoJo. It's some easy pickings.
Yeah, I love garage cleanouts.
I love easy money. So we're heading to the next job. Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's head on out.
Now, if you want to learn more about the junk removal business, you should check out JunkCon 2022. That is a place where all kinds of haulers are going to get together and network, and you can meet so many other people that are in this field. So you should check out JunkCon 2022, and here's some more information on it.
JunkCon 22. We are going bigger, better, and badder than ever before. It's not just for Jerry clients this year. This one is actually open to everybody. And listen, you're going to leave with clear actions that you can take to make more money. Just for followers of Sonoma Strong, everyone that signs up using a Sonoma Strong link is going to get a free Haulin' and Ballin' t-shirt. Click on the link and we'll see you at JunkCon 22.
Now make sure you grab your tickets in the link down below if you want to meet me and the JoJo. Now we're at another one, and this customer found us on Yelp. job is complete and we got another tip.
Everybody's feeling just a little bit tipsy.
A little bit tipsy. Now in this business,
It takes a while to get your name out there.
let me tell you like this. When we first started this business, we weren't working every single day. It took about 2 years to work every single day we wanted it to work and have about 3 to 4 jobs lined up for that day. It takes a while.
It does. It takes time.
So you got to put in the footwork and get your name out there and stay consistent advertising every single day. The more you put out, the more you'll get. So we're heading to the dumps, JoJo. And what's your prediction of the dump fee if you're feeling a little bit tipsy?
I'm going to say this one right here is going to be like $70.
$70? I'm going to say $64. And you want to know something else, JoJo?
What?
I've never heard that song before in my life.
Everyone in the club's feeling tipsy.
Oh, that's the song.
Everybody in the club getting
tipsy. So we're heading to the landfill. You ready?
Yeah, maybe I did such a bad job you didn't recognize the song at first.
I ain't bringing you to karaoke ever. You can't go with me. So we're heading to the landfill. So JoJo, we gotta turn back around.
Why?
Because the guy says he's gonna buy lunch for us. You can't buy nothing in California for 20 bucks for you and a fat boy. This is only feeding me. We're turning back around, forget that. So we had a change of plans. We're not going to the dumps. We're gonna lighten the load up and make some room for the next job. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
We have metal back here.
Holy shit! Damn, that was bad, JoJo, huh? That was horrible.
We want to welcome our newest channel members. We have Kathy Larson, Kevin Hobbs, Oscar Perez, and Justin Lee. Thanks for joining the membership.
Now in this business, sometimes you're gonna find diamonds and gold, and then sometimes it might be the scene of the first 48. Check this out. Got a little bit of that green bud, and got that bloody knife. Oh my goodness. It might be a murder scene. Nah, you do deal with some nasty stuff sometimes, like rodents, mold, just dirty, filthy stuff like human diapers.
Yes.
And then sometimes when you open stuff up, what do you find, JoJo?
Sometimes you find unexpected diamond earrings and Apple iPads.
So always keep your eyes open. And we're here at a storage unit and we're about to tackle this job. And this is some easy money. So check it out. I found another murder weapon. Look at that, JoJo. I'm bringing this bad boy home. Some brass knuckles and a knife. And this is for the competition, JoJo, that be trying to undercut us all the time.
So one of the things you want to make sure you have is insurance. Insurance, because you want to make sure that you can get put on the vendors list. For example, this storage unit facility asked us to send them the information that they need to put us on their vendors list. And what that means is that all the storage unit places in this area, they'll use you. So you want to make sure that you're legit, that you have your license and that you are insured, and you'll get these kind of jobs.
Now, just like that, JoJo, how long did that take?
It was like 10 minutes and it's done.
It is done. On to the next one. Now it's about damn time I found my find of the day. And JoJo, show them what it is. Check this out. Look at this t-shirt. Turn it around. I got the paint straight dripping. You can find me at the club straight tripping. JoJo, I'm ready for the rave scene.
Yeah, you gotta try this on. It's a 2XL.
Maybe we can do some ecstasy or some Molly, or should I say, how we call it in the Bay, some thizzle, JoJo, and rock this funky ass shirt. Oh my goodness. If you catch me wearing this, you better slap the dog shit out of me. This is ugly as hell. It is a XX. I never find the good stuff. She always does.
I bet that would look so good under a black light.
So leave a comment if you guys want to buy this. We'll ship it out to you with free shipping. So put your bids in. Check it out. It is a XX. It looks funky as hell. Ugh. Now we're at another one. And this palm tree thing goes. And this is going to be a fast, easy job. Now, just like that, job is complete, and something you definitely want to do in any business. One of the most important things is what, JoJo?
Invest back in your business. You want to make your job as easy as possible.
You want to make life as easy as possible, especially day in and day out. You got to reinvest in your business the right way. And for us, this was our best investment. If you can see that right there, right down there, that button right there, makes life so damn easy. Ain't that right, JoJo?
Not only does it make it easier, but it makes your jobs quicker and it makes you able to do more jobs.
And make sure you got the right tools in the toolbox, so whenever you show up to a job, if you need a skill saw to cut something, or some straps, or some tarps, or whatever it is, make sure you got them with you so you ain't zigzagging around, running into Home Depot, wasting time. Those are little things you need. You got to reinvest in your business, and don't be a cheap ass like I used to be back in the day. Why are you laughing, JoJo?
It's true.
It's very true. I had a tarp back there flopping around all hella ghetto with some cheap ass bungee cords from like the dollar store. I was not reinvesting in the business the right way. So also another thing to reinvest in is getting a good CPA.
Yeah, actually that's super important because a CPA will help you in so many ways. So many ways.
We save so much damn money having a CPA, and me and her not trying to do our taxes ourselves. We put way more money in our pockets. So we're heading to the landfill now. And JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee back here?
I'm gonna say $64.
$64, and this is still gonna be the first time we go to the landfill today, huh?
Yeah.
That's crazy. So she's at $64. I'm gonna say $83. And let's see what happens. Leave a comment down below what you guys think.
So if you want to make more money in this business,
there's a few things you need to do. You got to hit the customer with that price with confidence. You got to learn how to read body language. And also you got to learn how to upsell. Maybe they have a pile of trash over here that they don't want gone right now. Tell them, hey, we can take it right now. Or maybe it's a hot tub that looks kind of funky. Let them know you can cut it up and take it with you and upsell on jobs. So those are a few things you can do to make more money. So guess who won? I did again, or for the first time today.
Matt, what are you wearing?
What are you talking about? I'm ready for the club, baby. Look at that. This is double X and it barely fits me, JoJo. Check that out. See my dad bod right there. But anyways, another reason why we love the business is because we come across stuff we can sell. And we actually came across this couch right here. It's a sectional couch. And JoJo, how much did we sell it for?
We sold this for $350.
Plus a delivery fee for $100. That's $450. Because they were going to get it delivered from Uber. But what happened?
That is super expensive. I didn't even know that was a thing that you could get done. But I guess Uber actually will come and deliver stuff. They were going a really short distance and they were charging a lot of money. So we offered to deliver it ourselves for a little extra cash.
They wanted $200 to deliver this thing right here. So if you have a pickup truck and you're broke, there's no reason to be broke at all. Especially if you want to be an Uber delivery driver.
That's a thing. Look into it. It could be a business that you start. But that's another thing about the business of junk removal. If you want to make more money, keep your eyes out as you're taking things, because so much of the stuff is resellable.
And check that bad boy out over there. I'll be selling that pretty soon. I got a buyer. I found the right person. And that will be on our members only channel. And I'll let you guys know exactly how much moolah I made. So if you guys like this video, what do you want them to do?
Hit the like button, subscribe, check out our other videos, and look into our channel membership, because we have had lots of people calling our phone telling us how much that being a member has helped them out.
We'll catch you guys on the next one. We love all you guys.